So once I say $2 million casket, that's the code word.
Yep, you got that right. Now listen to this. This is the technical and scary part. You see the fact that he doesn't know you? He's going to request a meeting so that he can decide if he wants to do business after a background check.
Background check?
Yes. But guess what? You have no need to worry. Because he'll do the check when he meets with you, not before.
But usually people do a background check before they meet. Why not before?
Because, you see, when he does that check, if you come up tainted in any way, he buries you right away.
Wow. Sounds like fun.
But you don't have to worry yourself, you know. I'll be logged in with a full resume on Stephanie Millwood, businesswoman and philanthropist, who also have real estate properties in 4 countries.
Wow, so nicey. Should have been real life. But Roxy, this is the information that he'll see when he goes online, right?
Exactly. You hit the nail right on the head. I'll have it up for 20 minutes. So I want you to listen to me and listen to me well. He'll have somebody pick you up at the designated location in a 2001 Benz. You know he never flaunts his riches. So everything seems very regular. Then they'll take you to one of his hideaways. I want you to listen to this part. There are no surveillance cameras there to show you going in.
Wow. That means there'll be no witness to prove that I was there.
Correct. And guess what? A few have gone in and not come back out.
Oh, now that's encouraging.
I just want you to know, Agent B.
I know, Roxy.
You know that this is not an arrest mission, right?
Yeah, I'm fully aware.
Okay then, please be careful.
As careful as I can be under the circumstances. We'll talk later, Roxy.
Mr. Millwood.
And you must be Mr. Abakar. Is this some kind of cultural expression where you give a hug instead of a handshake?
Nah, just a precaution. Make sure you're not carrying no blick or nothing, that's all.
Mr. Abakar, I'm a businesswoman and a philanthropist who is also into real estate.
Well, you're not in the business to buy coffers, huh, are you?
Well, you're right.
Alright.